Hey guys, welcome back to my channel AdvaithOMG. Today we are back into another PowerPoint video. I know it's been a long time since we've learned anything at all in PowerPoint. In the previous episode of this PowerPoint series, we learned about the undo, redo and save buttons. In today's video, we are going to learn about text, shapes, pictures, tables, and the home button. 5 topics in total. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I've opened up the presentation where we are going to learn everything today. Please note that if you find this presentation a lot different than the one we used last episode, that I have upgraded the presentation and changed the topics around too. Anyway, let's start with the first thing we are going to learn today. Text. Text is a great way to pass on information through a presentation without saying a single word, like I am doing now. Did you see what I did there, guys? Anyway, to add it, you can just create a new slide. Some text boxes will already be there as default, which you can use to type. To create a new slide, well, go to the Home tab over here and click the New Slide button. Another way to type text is by going into the Insert tab and clicking the text box button here. Now you can drag your mouse over the place where you want your text box and then use that text box to type text. If you want your text to look like a heading, you can click this Word Art button in the Insert tab next to the text box button. Select which text you like and move the text and then type the text. So yeah, text is pretty much the most basic feature you can learn in PowerPoint. Let's move on to the second topic of the day, shapes. So guys, let's move on to the second topic of the day, shapes. Shapes like circles, squares, rectangles and all other shapes can be added in just 3 clicks. Insert, 1 click, pictures, shapes, 2 clicks, and whatever shape you want, 3 clicks. Then just drag on the screen where you want your shape and boom, the shape is brought right in front of your eyes. This can also be done from the Home tab. So now let's move on to the third topic of the day, pictures. Pictures are a great way to pass on information just by looking. To add these, go to the Insert tab, click on Pictures and then Stock Images to choose a picture from PowerPoint's suggestions. If you have a picture downloaded, then you can click Picture from File instead of Stock Images to select the picture that you have downloaded. Now let's move on to the fourth topic of the day, tables. When I say tables, I don't mean your dining tables or multiplication tables or things like that. I mean actual tables like calendars. You know, the ones with neat rows and columns, or 5x5 grids, 6x5 grids, 7x2 grids, and so on. They can be very useful when you want to organize information in neat rows and columns. To add these, just go to Insert, Tables and select the size of your table. Then click and boom, the table is brought right in front of your eyes. The maximum size you can choose for a table is 10 by 8. Now, let's move on to the fifth and final topic of the day, the home button. The home button brings you to the screen you first see when you open PowerPoint. This button is next to the Save button and above the Design tab. If you want to go back to your presentation, just click Cancel on your screen. So guys, that's basically it for this video. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications to get notified whenever I upload a video. Bye guys!